do you ever feel like your computer is not giving its true power? Do you ever see people like me with a laptop just running games at a decent performance and you're struggling for things that you shouldn't? Well, what if I told you you have to unveil the true power of your computer? There's a ton of things that you can do, from your processor to your RAM to your drive to everything. There's a ton of things. And this is my welcoming to the series of speeding up your computer. This will work on Windows. Don't think it will work on Mac. Some of those might work on Mac, but today's the first episode and we are unveiling your true CPU power that you might not even knew it existed. So let's get right into it. Roll the intro. What's up, Squad? The intro here, back again with another video. This time I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer. Today we're going to talk about the power options in your computer. Remember, episode 1, I hope you guys like this series and I hope it helps because I know most of you guys are gamers that would love further games to run at a very good speed or just less lag and stuttering. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your control panel. You're going to type control panel in the Windows search bar and you're going to see it right here. If you have any other way entering your control panel, go ahead. When you open it, you will see maybe it opening in a different tab. Just be sure to click at the top left where it says control panel, so it can bring you back to this screen. Here, you will click into system and security. Remember, my Windows is in Spanish, but I will be sure to translate everything. And also, if you just don't get what I translated, the icons are the same, the buttons are the same. So just look at the bottom that's at the side of the icon I just clicked. So yeah, we're going to go into system and security. None of this, just system and security. And you're going to go into the option called power options. Here you will see an icon like a battery icon thing. You're just going to click on the green stuff, okay? Don't click any of the blue stuff. Now, on the green stuff, you're going to see different plans. I'm guessing that in your case, you will just be able to see this with the balanced mode ticked and no other option. Sometimes you might see a high performance option, but here we're looking for the ultimate performance, okay? You might have also the Razer Cortex power plan, but that's only if you actually have Razer Cortex. Like, you're not gonna use that anyways. But you're gonna go after this, after just knowing that you can even skip this step. But you're gonna go into your PowerShell. How do you access your my PowerShell? You may ask. You're gonna right-click your Windows icon in your taskbar, and you're gonna click Windows PowerShell Administrator. This will open this blue dialog box thing. And also you can search for it as the same way as you search for the control panel. Just do Windows PowerShell and be sure to right click it and open it as an administrator, because we do need administrator permissions, okay? Finally, you're gonna go into pasting a code that for sure will be in the description, and when I will probably leave it here in the screen on editing. And this is a code that basically just asks a power plan that has everything set to maximum performance or ultimate performance. This will not just make your CPU better or something. This will just make sure it will run CPU, your RAM, even your graphics card at the maximum capacity possible, okay? After that, you're gonna click enter. Remember to not do any extra spaces or anything. You can just copy the code from the description. You're gonna do enter, and it should say GUID has added the following power plan, ultimate performance. Okay, you can close PowerShell now. You're gonna go back into your control panel where you wear power options. Again, control panel, system security, power options. You're gonna go here. There you will see on additional plans. You will see maximum performance or ultimate performance. Here, you can just choose it and you're good to go. Maybe restart your computer. But I will assure you it will now run at the maximum performance. If you're seeing any issues after this, remember, the only way to change this is going to your balance plan, which is the one recommended. But I've been using the ultimate performance for years, okay? And I've never encountered any issue, okay? It just depends on your system, but I'm pretty sure it will work, okay? There's no way this will harm your computer unless you're making it, like, try to overclock it without even knowing, or I don't know. Just be sure that it won't mess up your system. It probably won't. This is why this exists. And you're gonna just click into your ultimate performance plan. and you're gonna be like that. If you do this multiple times and you find out that you have multiple plans you really don't need, you just gotta open the configuration of this plan and just eliminate it on the red cross. That's it. And if you want to change anything for how when your computer turns off, when it goes to sleep, blah blah blah, you can also just click on the performance. I will not recommend messing up with advanced performance. Okay, just don't do that. It's okay like it is. Maybe you don't know what you're doing. If you do, go ahead, but don't mess it up. Okay, that was all. I think that was pretty concise, pretty easy to make. I'll try to make one video each day of the week, or also counting weekends, because Monday I will skip Monday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you want me to do something next, be sure to leave it in the comments below. If you have any questions, ask them. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a like. If not, go ahead and give it a dislike, but only if you tell me what you didn't like. Finally, remember, if you want to ask me any questions or just thank me for making your computer better, you can visit my Twitch. I'll leave the link down below. I stream there every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 4 Eastern time all the way to 7 Eastern. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.